I've got a question for you. Are you an Elite or a 50mm pole user? Well, we've got the perfect Elite end tool package for you if you are. This package includes our patented exclusive Elite Hairpin Neck. Now this is ideal for projects that have stubborn, compact gutter turf that becomes lodged in that narrow bend. Really, really useful. We also have the Elite dual end tool. Now this is a 2-in-1 end tool with a slanted end here for breaking down tough gutter growths, and then this scalloped end here for blockages that require a little extra fight, if you will. We also have our Elite soft long end tool for just those everyday gutter cleaning tasks. And then our Elite dirt breaker end tool for the removal of stubborn moss. Our Elite reducer end tool. Now this is great for getting into those tight, narrow spaces in the gutter. And then finally, our Elite crevice end tool, which is thin enough to slot in between overhanging roof tiles and gutters. Now this package is ideal if you're looking to replace or to add some new tools to your existing equipment.